Ekero omuyega o Madaraka Day ogendrete kobera ang'e nigo omuwaziri bw'obochenu imense ya Kenya omusikemtai kawe abeire kagukwanira iguru yeritukerio ase abaganirie abakenya bonsi babe bakoenekia buna ngobwate bara amachikari abekire ne wizara y'obochenu eri wetanga korwase okwambukira kw'ebinyinyi bya COVID-19.
Determined, together with their Right Honorable Raila Odinga, you can see that they are determined that it is a no-government approach in terms of resolving the issues that are there and completing the projects that they have mentioned. Top of all these discussions, of course, is the safety of our people, and to ensure that even as we celebrate, we do not celebrate at any cost, particularly at the cost of losing people. And it is for this reason that part of the discussion is also celebrating Madaraka Day within the laid down protocols and within the laid down measures, mitigating measures to ensure that we do not lose anybody as a result of a celebration. Of importance, of course, is to remember that yesterday, in a meeting with the governor of Kisumu, we did elaborate that the Indian variant, the 667 virus, is already here in Kenya, in Kisumu. We don't want to cause any panic, but I think what we are saying is emphasizing on the need to adhere to the measures so that we keep our distances. And as the governor said yesterday, the most important thing is to avoid any crowding, to avoid crowding in the streets, to avoid crowding in the markets, to avoid crowding in other social gatherings that can eventually portend ill for us. And therefore, I just want to thank very sincerely the members of parliament here present who have committed to speaking and preaching and educating our people, particularly in the Nyanza western regions, so that they can stay safe and so that we can secure their lives. So I want to once again just say asanteni sana. It is unfortunate that we cannot have the kind of celebration that we could have had.